In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds from your account dashboard using SoFi's banking tools. To get started, head over to SoFi.com and sign in to your account dashboard. Before you continue, make sure you're on the official website and that you're using a secure internet connection, especially if you're handling money transfers. Once you're logged in, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct account area so you can access the tools you need without confusion. From your dashboard, navigate directly to the Banking Tools workspace. This is where you'll find the features related to moving money, managing linked accounts, and handling payment activity. If the layout looks a little different on your device, don't worry. The wording is usually similar, and the goal here is simply to enter the banking section where transfer options are available. Once you're inside the Banking Tools area, select Transfer. This option is used when you want to move funds immediately to an external linked bank account using a debit card. As you go through this process, make sure the external account you want to use has already been linked correctly. Double-check the destination account details before confirming anything, since transfers involving debit cards can move quickly and may be harder to reverse if sent to the wrong place. When entering the transfer amount, pause for a second and verify that the number is correct. It's always a good habit to review the amount, the funding source, and the receiving account before you submit the transfer. If the platform shows any fees, timing details, or confirmation screens, read through them carefully so you know exactly what to expect. If needed, you can also initiate an online peer-to-peer payment transfer to a friend in exchange for cash. This can be useful in situations where a direct transfer method isn't the option you want to use. Just be sure that you're sending the payment to the correct person and that you trust the arrangement before completing the transaction. Peer-to-peer payments are often processed quickly, so accuracy matters here as well. After everything is submitted, look for a confirmation message, transaction status, or email receipt so you have a record of the transfer. Keeping track of that confirmation can help if you need to review